Hi, and welcome to ACT's video about using Parcel Select to select a group of parcels with the same deed reference. We're here on the transfer page, and I want you to notice these book and page numbers. Notice that they're in two separate fields. That's going to be important. So to start our Parcel Select, we go to Reports, choose Parcel Select, and we come up with the Parcel Select window. Notice that there are selects that have been saved, but we're going to make a new one. So click the Insert button, and let's call this Multi-Parcel. And to save that, we click Post. Now at this point, it's empty. So we have to tell it what we want to be in our multi-parcel select. It defaults to the selection type of subdivision, but let's change that to our PID. You could also use parcel. They're both very similar in that they select individual parcels. We want to select everything that has the same book and page, the same deed. So let's come down here to the field selections. The first thing is we have to choose a table name. Now the table names are related to what kind of information we are wanting to select. So we were on the transfer screen, so let's look for a table name that has to do with transfers. And I actually know that it is P transfer. All of the property characteristic table names start with a P. So let's choose that. Now in our case, you notice that there's no year named in the table name. P transfer is a multi-year table, so we must choose a year to look in. So let's choose 2016. I believe that was the year that this book and page we're going to look for was recorded. Now let's move on to field. You want to choose the field name. Remember how we looked at the transfer screen and noted that there were two different fields we were interested in? The first one was book. And we're going to look for a specific book and page, so let's choose the operator of equal. In our value, we know that we're looking for book number 217. So let's type that in there. But now right now we would get everything that was in book 217, but we want to look for ones that are a specific page out of that book. So we need to do an and add another line. Simply press the down arrow key to get another line and use the left arrow key to come back and start. So since we're going to be looking for another field in the same table, we'll pick the same table name, P transfer. And again, the same year, 2016. This time, the field we're going to choose is page. So you can scroll down or you can press P and it will automatically go to, they're in alphabetical order, so it will automatically go to page. Press enter, tab over, and we're going to look for a specific page, so our operator is going to be equal. And the page number we want is 521. So down here you can look at this field selections and know that we are looking in the P transfer table for parcels that have a book of 217 and a page of 521. I like to click Post now to make sure that those characteristics are saved. And then, most importantly, see right here where it says selected 0 records? Because we haven't clicked Select yet. So importantly, click Select. It found 27 parcels with this book and page. We'll be able to use this selection, our multi-parcel selection, to attach images to every single one of those parcels. So if we scanned a deed, we could attach it at one time to all of those. We could also use it if we needed to record another deed that included all those same parcels on its legal description. So now you know the basics of using Parcel Select to find all the parcels with the same deed reference. Thank you for watching.